My tools, welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new, tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is a super short initial review of this item that I got for Christmas. This is what I consider to be a book light. Y'all, this is by Akomid. I did purchase this for myself and others for Christmas. As a stocking stuffer. It's about the size of the palm of your hand. I really like that. These book lights come in a variety of different colors, so anywhere from very feminine colors to very masculine colors. The light, I love how it is movable. You can kind of adjust it to whatever better works for you, so that you are able to ensure that you're able to read your book with no problem. So I love that. Also, you guys, it has this metal piece here that you slide into the book so that the light can kind of sit up on its own as you are reading that good book. Love it. You guys, it's extremely lightweight. This is the power button. This button also adjusts the different settings of the light. So I believe that there are about 3 settings, which you guys will see. This book light is a versatile rechargeable LED book light. This portable bookmark shape reading light features ASMD LED with 3 color temperature modes, which you guys saw: warm amber, and cool white. And of course, the light is adjustable. So isn't this cool how the charger is kind of hitting there? You easily slide the bottom off. You can hook it up into your laptop, or if you have a block charger, stick it in it and charge it. Love it. You guys, consider this in your stocking stuffers for next year. I hope this video was helpful. Smooches.